I've actually never opened a group break like that. I'm not a believer. Sean is, though. He legitimately listens to Justin Bieber. It's disgusting. But anyways, that doesn't matter. Because you know what's awesome? Black Diamond. This is 1516 Upper Deck Black Diamond 5-box case break number 3. So if you're in that, get ready. If you're not, sit back and relax and watch us pull a Jack Eichel 1/1 quad relic diamond. Let's do it. Oh, no. All right, so here is the spreadsheet. Good luck to everybody. Seven. And 7. There it is. Edmonton's at 18. You want to get the 18 spot. That's 8. So let's mix your names up. Hopefully you'll be able to get a good spot. Well, actually, they're all spots. You can get anything out of these spots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and final order right here. Good luck. 8. Right there. I'm not going to look who got 18. We'll have to find out. All right, Davis, you have St. Louis. John K. with Chicago. Steve M. Nashville. Justin Z. Vancouver. Ted F. with Phoenix. Justin Z. Carolina. Brian S. the Kings. Leonard with Columbus. Bryson with Calgary. Derek with Toronto. Ed F. the Islanders. Derek with the Buffalo Sabres. Ed F. Boston. Ted F. with Detroit. Christian K. with Colorado. Davis M. Pittsburgh. Robert P. New Jersey. Rocco has Edmonton. Dallas with Montreal. Dallas L. with Montreal. Darcy with Tampa Bay. Robert P. Minnesota. Dallas L. Anaheim. Jamie with San Jose. Alex C. Dallas. Derek T. Philly. Dan H. Ottawa. Robert P. Florida. Brandon O. with the Rangers. Derek T. Washington. And Dallas L. with Winnipeg. Oh, that's weird. It ended like that. All right. You can't be that mean, Charles. All right, so anyone in the chat want to trade? If you do, feel free. You can trade your teams. I wish I was in this break too. But I can't. There'd be a conflict of interest. Almost cut myself. I'd end up saying, oh, I didn't get anything good. Alright. Exquisite packs. Hopefully we'll get a shield. I don't think that Connor McDavid Exquisite Shield's gotten pulled yet. I think it's going to be this. It's going to happen. Alright, but it is Slater Cuckoo. 2-color Exquisite Relic. 114 at $2.99. Davis, we're going to have another break of this up as well. Trust me. We're going to have another break of this up as soon as possible. It was just, a little bit of... We've done a few of these, actually. We'll do more. Zemgus Girgensons, my man, out of 199. We have a Scott Darling championship ring. Haven't gotten that one yet, so... There we go. Brandon Dubinsky out of 85. 30 of 85 relic. We'll have another break of this up soon, so be on the lookout. Black Diamond Mine relics of Claude Giroux out of 125. And then we have our Diamond relic. It is of Connor Hellebuyck. 78 of 99 for the Jets. He is starting for them now that since Pavlich is hurt. So, not a bad card. He's been playing okay. He's had some ups and downs as a rookie. It's not the worst one to get. So there you go, Winnipeg. Maybe we'll get another one. We have a Shea Weber, 74 of 149 base card out of Exquisite. Not the cup. It's just Exquisite. All right, 9 of 99, Zach Parise. This is his old number. Here is a Bobby Orr, 52 of 79 retired number jersey. These are really cool. Wish that was signed, though, but beggars can't be choosers. A Malcolm Subban autograph, 155 of 199, silver on black. Really sharp-looking card. Rookie gem of Ronald Kennens out of 399. And then we have a Black Diamond rookie booklet relic of Nikolai Ehlers for Winnipeg. That's 213 and 299. Ooh, very nice Sam Bennett rookie. 47 of 93 base card. Very cool. This is the rookie Exquisite. Nice. It's out of their jersey number. He's 93, not 63. In the NHL now. We got Patty Kane, 66 of 99. A Malcolm Subban rookie team logo jumbo patch. That is manufactured, by the way. John Tavares autograph, 75 of 99 for the Islanders. Black Diamond Mine relics of Dustin Brown, 25 of 25. And then there's a Black Diamond Mine relic of PK Subban, 99 of 125. All right, where's Connor McDavid? Where is he? A Ryan Hartman rookie jersey, 47 of 299 for the Blackhawks. It's almost done. It's not fair. Connor Hellebuyck rookie gem out of 399. Claude Giroux out of 199. Jacob Delarose manufactured jersey for the Hobbs. And I called it or something. 8/25 rookie booklet relic autograph of Connor McDavid. There he is. Second one of these we've gotten. Beautiful. Prime relics and an autograph. 8/25. There he is. Awesome hit. I don't know how much it's worth, but it's worth more than what I'm worth. Very nice hit. Congratulations to Rocco. It's all yours, buddy. Cherish that. Let's see what else we'll get. Oh, how about another Connor McDavid for you. 11/149 dual relic with a beautiful prime patch right there. Nice two-color one there. Oh, yeah, that did happen, yeah. Very nice. As I said, I'll have another one of these up ASAP. And here's my buddy Jack Eichel. So, Sabres will get some love. 121/399 rookie gem. Tyler Seguin /199. Another Jets hit. Nikolai Ehlers. Little manufactured patch. Ryan Hartman, silver on black auto, 167/199. This is a sick way to end the break. 8/25 relic for the Panthers. It is Roberto Luongo. I think it's like a glove or a pad relic. Very cool. Definite game used. That's awesome. Very cool. Nice hit. So there we go. Great break, but you guys know what. This is what happened. This is all that matters. McDavid, or as they call him in here, McDollars. Second one of these we've gotten. Huge hit. Beautiful card. Awesome. So there we go, guys. As I said, once again, I will have another one of these up as soon as possible. And feel free to put in a personal order for this. Get a box, get a case, get a few boxes, whatever. Get a few cases. I will literally open this until my hands fall off. So, that's it for me today. So I'm free until about 6:30 or so. A little bit after that. For personal breaks, if you guys want, I'm more than willing to open stuff. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll have my late night.